Andres!
Come, Daddy! He wants us to go fast, but he tries to make us do it by just screaming. So, no, that's not the way. So let's let our next goal make it very fast. And then we go fast. I was working on that. But he liked it, and then he saw the he do like, then we go, you know.
Andres, hola!
Are you coming up? You should come in this direction. Get down. Off. Off. Good job. Very nice.
Okay.
Perfect. Very good.
Put helmet back and then here.
It's just very just
Say open.
open.
Okay,
Very
open.
good.
Put it back. Look there.
The stop and the go, he got in perfectly now. Yeah. He had that part and he had to remember first. But then he got it. Just get the other flies breaking it, please. Oh, perfect. Nice. Good job, Andrew.